Hello, you're welcome to Charis Tutors, your best companion in physics. Today, we are going to be looking at velocity time graph. Velocity time graph. In my previous video, I explained motion and the basic terms that we use in describing motion. Now, whenever you hear velocity graph, the time, we are talking about acceleration. Velocity time graph depicts acceleration, and there are some basic things that you can deduce from a velocity time graph. You can find the acceleration of the body, you can find the deceleration, you can find the total distance covered. You can find the total distance covered. Now, if you see a question, this is a wide question, so let's read the question together and solve it together. Now, let me quickly go through the question. A car starts from rest, and I'm going to be explaining to you when the car starts from rest, the car is starting from zero and accelerates uniformly for 20 seconds to attain a speed of 25 meters per second. When you see this, you know we are talking of the velocity. It maintains this speed for 30 seconds before decelerating uniformly to rest. The total time for the journey is 60 seconds. The first question says, sketch the velocity time graph for the motion. The second question says, find the total distance covered. Then the third question says, find the deceleration. Let's solve this question together. Now, the first thing you are going to be doing when you are asked to do something, answer this type of question is you are going to draw a velocity, your graph. Please, your axis is very, very important. This is velocity, that's the vertical axis, velocity, and the unit must be clearly stated in meter per second, and my time is in seconds. When the car starts from rest, it means the car is starting from zero. I start, and the question is it accelerates uniformly for 20 seconds. That's the first timing, from 0, 20 seconds, to attain the speed of what? 25. That's my velocity. It maintains this speed like this for 30 seconds. If you maintain the speed for 30 seconds, it means from 20, the next 30 seconds is going to be 50. But before decelerating uniformly to rest, comes down like this. Now, the question is telling us that the total time for the journey is 60 seconds. So, this is 60. 60. You are asked to sketch. That's number one question. You have to just trash the first question. You have to sketch the velocity time graph, which I have sketched. Mind you, the axis is very, very important, and the diagram, the drawing, is very, very important. Now, the second question says I should calculate the total distance covered. Now, for me to calculate the total distance covered, it means I'm going to find the area of this trapezium. Number 2, total distance covered is depicting the area of this trapezium. And what is the formula to find the area of trapezium? That's the distance given half into sum of parallel sides multiplied by height h. That is the formula. Now let's look at the diagram and substitute accordingly. Half into some, these are the parallel sides. From here to here, this is 30, and this other one is 60. 60 plus 60 multiplied by height, which is 25. 25. Thank you. 25. This will give me half into 30 plus 60 will give me 90. 90 multiplied by 25. Let me quickly press my calculator. 90 multiplied by 25 will give me 2250. Half into 2250. Now, 2250 divided by 2. Divided by 2, that is the half. That's 1125 meters, which will give give me 1,125 meters. So that is the total distance covered. Please, your unit is very, very important. Your unit is very, very important. So that is the solution to the second question. We have tried the second question. Now let's look at the deceleration. Deceleration is when the vehicle or the object or the body is coming down. This is my deceleration. Now, to find your deceleration, let me draw my right angle triangle against this line. Against this line, that is the y, the x. I'm going to find the deceleration. Deceleration, that's the third question. Deceleration. So let me trace. That will give me V2 minus V1 over T2 minus T1. My V2 is 25 minus V1 0 over 60 minus 50. So this will give me 25 over 10. And that's going to give me 2.5. Mind you, deceleration, meter per second square. Meter per second square. So the deceleration for this journey is 2.5 meter per second square. Thank you. I hope you understand this topic. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.